Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and we're progressing well with the assignment. Now, a number of people have reached out to the issue of the categories of the items not being quantifiable. And you know, in data analysis, quantitative analysis is one of the most crucial aspects of our analysis, and it would have really been well for us to be able to quantify the different categories of items in terms of the number of sales per supermarket and all that. Now, that may not be that possible with this particular data set, but I want us to tweak the data set a little bit for us to be able to perform simple mathematical computations like summing and all that. Now, what we'll do is that in these columns, in these fields where we have yes and no, we want to convert them into binary values or into binary codes. Now, all the yeses we're going to convert to 1, and all the no's we're going to convert to 0. And Excel gives us the ability to do that by just simple clicks here and there. Now, to do that, you can either press Ctrl H. Let me just go ahead and do it, Ctrl H, and it brings you such a window where you say find what. Now we are going to be finding yes here, and then we're replacing it with 1, and then you click on replace all, but I'm not doing that just yet because I want to show you how else to do it. You can also do it by clicking on the edit ribbon under the home tab, find and select, then click on replace, and you notice it brings you the same window that we had the previous time. Now I'm going to go ahead and select all our data sets. You can do that by clicking on Ctrl A, and it selects everything for you, or just come here at the top and click that way. Again, it has selected everything within this particular Excel sheet. Now I'll press on Ctrl H, and it brings me that window, and of course we want to replace all the yeses with 1, and click on replace all, and it does that instantly. Okay, we also want to replace all the no's with 0 here, then replace it with 0, replace all, and that has happened. Now we can easily do a few meaningful computations with this, though again, now when we try to do some of these measures of central tendency like median, mean, it's all going to be just 1, but still this still helps us. Now the other thing I want us to do is I want to show us now how this is going to be better than if we were just using the yes and no. Is let's create a pivot table. I'll control home to go back up. Let's insert a pivot table. Okay, clicked on cancel. Pivot table into a new worksheet, and that. Now here we want to, in the columns we want to place the supermarkets. Yeah, so we have all the supermarkets listed there, and then in the values we want to place food, snack, and what else, beverage, consumables. We can put everything else, but now let us place them in the rows and not under the columns. And now you can see sum of food. It has summed all the food items that were sold by the different supermarkets, and this is actually giving you a cheat sheet to analyzing your data, but I think it's important that I do that. So I think that is it. Everything else you can figure out, and in case you're encountering any challenges, kindly reach out and I will help you as swiftly as possible, as has been seen by other people who've reached out. Thank you.